Yo, what up? Have you ever wanted infinite food? I've seen this infinite yogurt trend going on like TikTok.
Infinite yogurt glitch.
What if we do this with yogurt?
No, why am I lying to you? I haven't. I just wanted to make some yogurt. Basically, what we're gonna do today is infinite yogurt. And what we're gonna need is only 2 ingredients. Some milk and some yogurt. That's it. Yeah, store-bought yogurt. Make sure the yogurt is like eco-friendly yogurt or some sort of yogurt that has active cultivations, it says. I'm just using plain Greek yogurt. It should work fine also. And for milk, use whole milk. The fresher, the better. The more straight from the teat, the better. You could milk your own cows if you have your cows, but we're not doing none of that. So this recipe is very simple and only a bit time-consuming. Let's go to the stovetop and begin. Now, we pour in 1 liter of milk, or 1 quart if you're American. And all that we have to do is turn on the heat and stir constantly so the milk doesn't burn on the bottom. What we're looking at is 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. You have to get it to that temperature and then kill off the heat and cool the milk off to like 40 degrees. I'll show you. You should use a thermometer, or if you don't have a thermometer, I guess you could do that, I don't know. Right now, the milk is at 19 degrees. That's cold. Yeah, for the milk, you should not use like ultra pasteurized milk, even though it will work also, but get as green of a milk as you can. Okay, temperature check. It's at 40. We're halfway there. Just keep mixing. A minute or 2 and we'll be done. Okay. Oh, we're at 60 already. 65. Good. We're getting close. 67. Come on. Can we hit that magic number? 68, 68.5, come on, no, come on, yes, congratulations, we did it. 75, almost 76, 168, 79, and the last degree, yep, we're at 80, nice. We're done, kill off the heat, now cool it off to 40 degrees, and then we will continue. You can let it sit here, or give it an ice bath. Great, I think my ice bath is complete.
Hello, friends.
Just made it in the sink. Yeah, we're at 44 degrees. It'll be enough. We can remove our milk and get our yogurt. As I said, get the best yogurt you can, like the greenest one. Add like 3.5, 4 tablespoons. And what we're gonna do before we add it in to the whole thing is we're gonna just, where's the cup? Add in some of it into the yogurt, mix it in there, and then pour the whole thing into the pot. So yeah, I'll just mix right here, as you can see. It's easier to mix, make no lumps. Great, now I have my mixture. I'll pour it into the whole pot, and now it's gonna be the final step. Well, not final, but almost final step. Wrap it around in towels, the pot, I mean. Make it a cute little pot. Close the lid off. Add some towels all around. And what we will do is put it in the oven and not bake it. No, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna set it in there. And if you want, you can set it to 40 degrees, like Celsius. So the temperature is kept like that in there. Or you can just wrap it around like so and leave it in there. So let's move it into the oven and I'll see you in like 9 to 12 hours once the yogurt is, well, it should be done. We'll see. Yeah, there we go. It's pretty hot in here, so it should be fine. See you in 12 hours. Great. Time is up. It's been more than 12 hours. And I think it is time to unveil the yogurt. Oh yeah, you can already see some whey curds. You can see on top. Look at that. There it is. Yogurt. Wow. Now we could eat it like so, but it still has plenty of whey in it. I'll give it a taste. Ooh. Wow. It tastes just like Greek yogurt.
Nice.
But I want it to be more thick, not like this consistency. So I want Greek yogurt basically. So what I will do is get a big sieve, place it in this bowl. A cortasura. Hello. Get some cheesecloth. This is gonna be a bit too much, so do it like this. Line it in here and pour in our yogurt. Big batch of yogurt. Look at that. Damn. Now you can drain it for a consistency you like. I'm gonna drain it for about an hour or so and let it skim off all the way. what I'm gonna do is just place this contraption in the fridge, and in about an hour we should have some Greek yogurt. My god, it's been like a few minutes. Look how much whey we already have just in like a minute or two. You could use the whey for whatever you like making bread.
We have to get money. We have no choice.
Can't wait to put some granola and some jam in it. Okay, so this goes into the fridge for about an hour, and I'll see you then. It is time. Ooh, so much whey. I like the consistency. We can dump the yogurt in. Yeah, baby. And now we have some beautiful Greek yogurt. Let's serve it up. Add a few tablespoons, leave the rest in the fridge. Now we can add some granola on top, which you can make yourself in the video up here in the corner. And add some jam on top. And the last thing would be some blueberries or bilberries on top, or some banana, but I don't have either of those, so this will do just fine. Let's give it a taste. Well, my yogurt is a bit warm, but you know what? Tastes just like yogurt. Infinite yogurt glitch unlocked. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video next week. Peace!